I want this to be clear. It's never too late to start anything you want to do. Don't let that limiting belief in your mind stop you. Everyone watching this, I want you to be successful. I want you to be better. The whole purpose of these videos is to improve your life, whether it be financially, health-wise, in your relationships. I want you to be a better person. That's the whole point of this. Why do we want to make money? To have freedom, to have the time to do what we want, to live the dream that we want. Not for power, not for status. That's not why we do this. You're an entrepreneur because you want your freedom. You want the freedom to do whatever you want, to wake up when you want, to live after your own passions. That's the whole purpose here. We're trapped in a 9-to-5 life. Everybody, from the moment you're born, go to school, come out of school in the afternoon. You're already being programmed to that time schedule. Go to high school, go to college, get your degree. Now sit in an office 9 to 5. Now you're 65. Oh, now you're 65 years old. You can barely retire. Now you can frugally live off the amount of money you have in your 401k saved up, or your whatever retirement plan you got going on, and live off of that. But what about the ages of 18 to 65? Those are all gone. And it's sad. It's miserable. No wonder why everyone's depressed today. No wonder why people are always looking down. You think everybody's happy? That's not the truth. You just see, hi, I'm smiling. You see that on social media. Everybody's smiling. Everyone's having a great time. Look where I went. I went to the Greek islands. Oh, look at my Instagram picture. Look what I'm doing. I'm so happy. We're advertising a fake life. And it's time to get real. It's time to get down and fix the real problem, which is what you're doing with your life. Are you following your passions? Are you doing what you love every day? Because that's the most important thing. Taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. I want to share this video with anybody who's watching this. If you want to make a change in your life, subscribe to this channel, because all the videos coming out on here are helping you improve your life. That's the whole purpose behind this. I want to be better to make you better, to make me better. We're all going to make it. That's what we have to say. If you watch this far, comment down below. We're all going to make it. For the few people who actually want to make a difference in their life, take action today. Do something about it now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow is the devil's middle name. This video is completely raw, completely uncut. I want you to see all of this. Anyway, stay tuned for future videos.